So we are not done because we still have a diet, but we're just playing with like every day the diet. She's lying. I'm just kidding. Jordan, if you're watching this, we miss you so much, Jordan. Thank you, Jordan and D'Angelo channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And we love you guys. We love you, Jordan. We love you all. So, as you can see, this is my slime. Pink. So we made it. We made blue slime. Jordan, we really miss you. So we made blue slime at daycare. We made slime at child's care. Jordan, we miss you so much. If you're watching it, we'll miss you. Jordan, we're moving soon. And we are going to have kids from Jordan. 4, 2, and I'm going to have the mom kitchen. We miss you. But we're moving February 1st. I just go little. Stop. Do the little.
Calm down, please.
Yeah, this is Lindo's music. You will play with them if you're in the So, as you can see, we're just playing this slide. So I'll try and make a bubble. So I did kind of make a half a bubble. So I'll just give you to my sister, Erin. What? Talk to them. So we miss you, Jordan, so much. Jordan, if you're watching, all of our hearts. What? Wearing the shorts that you gave us. And my chair. Right, Jordan? Okay. Bye-bye. So, we're still going to do this for 5